10 incredible benefits of castor oil for face. Imagine waking up to skin so smooth you can't stop touching it. A face so clear you toss your foundation aside. What if the secret to these results were simply sitting in your kitchen cabinet? It's castor oil.
Basically comes from the seeds of the castor oil plant.
This miracle liquid is about to revolutionize your skincare routine.
It's good for your immune system.
From banishing acne to smoothing wrinkles, we're exploring into 10 incredible benefits of castor oil for your face. 1. Bye-bye acne. Castor oil is like kryptonite for acne. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent.
It's called ricinoleic acid, okay, which is anti-inflammatory, which is anti-pain, so you can rub it on joints.
This means it can calm angry red pimples faster than you can say clear skin. But that's not all. It also kills acne-causing bacteria. So, it's not just treating your current breakouts, it's preventing future ones too. How to use it. Mix a few drops of castor oil with a carrier oil like jojoba. Dab it on your problem areas before bed. Wake up to calmer, clearer skin. But here's the thing. Consistency is key. Don't expect miracles overnight. Use this treatment every night for at least 2 weeks to start seeing results. And remember, everyone's skin is different. What works for one person might not work for another. If you have severe acne, it's always best to consult with a dermatologist before trying any new treatments. 2. Wrinkles, be gone. Forget expensive anti-aging creams. Castor oil is a natural wrinkle fighter. It's rich in fatty acids that penetrate deep into the skin, plumping it up from within. This helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, giving you a more youthful look. But here's the real kicker. Castor oil stimulates collagen production. Collagen is the protein that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. As we age, our bodies produce less of it. By using castor oil, you're telling your skin to pump up the collagen, keeping you looking younger for longer. Want to maximize the anti-aging benefits? Try this. Mix a few drops of castor oil with your favorite night cream. The oil will help the cream penetrate deeper into your skin, boosting its effectiveness. Apply this mixture every night before bed, focusing on areas prone to wrinkles like around your eyes and mouth. And here's a pro tip. Don't forget your neck. The skin on your neck is thin and often overlooked in skincare routines. But it's one of the first places to show signs of aging. Extend your castor oil treatment down to your neck and décolletage for a more comprehensive anti-aging routine. 3. Fade those dark spots or hyperpigmentation. Castor oil can help with that too. It contains omega-3 fatty acids that help lighten dark spots and even out skin tone. Plus, its natural healing properties can help fade scars left behind by acne or injuries. Consistency is key here. Apply a thin layer of castor oil to your dark spots every night. Within a few weeks, you should start to see a noticeable difference. But let's talk about why this works. Castor oil contains high levels of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid. This acid has been shown to inhibit the production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to our skin. By reducing melanin production in specific areas, castor oil can help fade dark spots over time. Here's a tip to boost its effectiveness. Mix castor oil with a few drops of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon juice is a natural skin brightener and can enhance the spot fading effects of castor oil. Just be careful with this mixture if you have sensitive skin, as lemon juice can be irritating for some people. 4. Moisture lock. If you struggle with dry, flaky skin, castor oil could be your new best friend. It's a humectant, which means it attracts moisture from the air and locks it into your skin. But unlike some other oils, it won't leave your face feeling greasy. Here's a pro tip. Apply castor oil to damp skin right after washing your face. This helps seal in even more moisture, leaving your skin soft and supple. But let's dig deeper into why castor oil is such an effective moisturizer. Its unique molecular structure allows it to penetrate deep into the skin, beyond just the surface layer. This means it's not just sitting on top of your skin like some moisturizers, but actually hydrating from within. And here's something you might not know. Castor oil can actually help balance oily skin too. It sounds counterintuitive, but hear me out. When your skin is dehydrated, it often overproduces oil to compensate. By properly moisturizing with castor oil, you're signaling to your skin that it doesn't need to produce excess oil. The result? Balanced, hydrated skin that's neither too dry nor too oily. 5. Goodbye under eye bags. Late nights showing up on your face? Castor oil can help reduce puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. Its anti-inflammatory properties help shrink swollen blood vessels, while its moisturizing effects plump up the delicate skin around your eyes. For best results, gently massage a tiny amount of castor oil around your eyes before bed. But be careful not to get it in your eyes. Let's break down why this works. The skin under your eyes is some of the thinnest on your body, which is why it's often the first place to show signs of fatigue or aging. Castor oil's rich fatty acids nourish this delicate skin, improving its elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines. But there's more. Castor oil can also help improve circulation in the under eye area. This is crucial because poor circulation is often a major contributor to dark circles. By gently massaging castor oil around your eyes, you're not only applying the oil, but also stimulating blood flow to the area. Here's a cooling trick. Keep your castor oil in the refrigerator. The cold oil will feel amazing on tired eyes and can help further reduce puffiness. 6. Natural sunscreen booster. While castor oil isn't a replacement for sunscreen, it can boost your sun protection. It has a natural SPF of about 6, which isn't much on its own. But when used under your regular sunscreen, it can provide an extra layer of protection against harmful UV rays. Plus, its antioxidant properties help fight free radicals caused by sun exposure, potentially reducing sun damage over time. But let's dive deeper into how this works. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to absorb UVB and UVC rays. While this isn't enough protection on its own, it can complement your regular sunscreen, especially in areas that are prone to burning or where your sunscreen might wear off more quickly, like your nose or the tops of your cheeks. Here's how to incorporate it into your routine. After your morning skincare but before your sunscreen, apply a thin layer of castor oil to your face. Let it absorb for a few minutes, then apply your regular sunscreen as usual. This not only boosts your sun protection, but also helps your sunscreen glide on more smoothly. And here's a bonus. Castor oil can also help soothe sunburned skin. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce redness and pain, while its moisturizing effects prevent peeling. Just be sure to cool the burn first with cold water or aloe vera before applying castor oil. 7. Thick, luscious lashes and brows. Want Cara Delevingne brows or Bambi lashes? Castor oil might be your ticket. It's packed with proteins, vitamins, and fatty acids that nourish hair follicles, promoting growth and thickness. Apply a tiny amount to your lashes and brows with a clean mascara wand before bed. Just be careful not to get it in your eyes. But why does this work? Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which has been shown to stimulate the production of prostaglandin E2, a lipid compound that can promote hair growth. It also contains omega-6 fatty acids, which improve blood circulation to the hair follicles, potentially speeding up growth. Here's a tip for maximum effectiveness. Before applying castor oil to your lashes or brows, wash the area thoroughly to remove any makeup or dirt. This ensures the oil can penetrate the follicles without any barriers. And here's something you might not know. Castor oil can also help prevent eyelash and eyebrow loss. If you're prone to rubbing your eyes or use waterproof mascara regularly, applying castor oil nightly can help strengthen your lashes and prevent breakage. 8. Bye-bye, blackheads. Blackheads don't stand a chance against castor oil. Its unique composition allows it to penetrate deep into pores, dissolving and pulling out stubborn blackheads. It's like a natural, gentle version of those pore strips you've been using. Try this. Mix castor oil with a bit of baking soda to make a paste. Gently massage it onto your nose and other blackhead-prone areas. Rinse off after a few minutes. But let's break down why this works so well. Blackheads form when excess oil and dead skin cells clog your pores. The top of this clog oxidizes when exposed to air, giving it that characteristic black color. Castor oil, being non-comedogenic, can penetrate these clogs without adding to the problem. Its antimicrobial properties help clean out the pore, while its fatty acids help dissolve the hardened oil inside the blackhead. Here's an advanced technique for stubborn blackheads. After applying your castor oil and baking soda paste, place a warm, damp cloth over the area for about 5 minutes. The heat will help open up your pores, allowing the castor oil to penetrate even deeper. Remember, though, that extracting blackheads can potentially damage your skin if done incorrectly. Always be gentle, and if a blackhead doesn't come out easily, leave it be and try again another day. 9. Soothe irritated skin. Got sensitive skin that flares up at the slightest provocation? Castor oil can help calm it down. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe irritation, redness, and even conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Mix a few drops of castor oil with aloe vera gel for an extra soothing effect. Apply to irritated areas as needed. But why is castor oil so effective at calming irritated skin? It all comes down to its high concentration of ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid has been shown to have impressive anti-inflammatory effects when applied topically. It works by activating a receptor in the body called EP3, which plays a role in pain and inflammation reduction. Here's a tip for those with extremely sensitive skin. Do a patch test first. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a small area of skin and wait 24 hours to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. And here's something you might not know. Castor oil can also help with fungal infections on the skin. Its antifungal properties make it effective against conditions like athlete's foot or ringworm. Just remember, while it can help with mild cases, severe infections should always be treated by a healthcare professional. 10. Natural makeup remover. Last but not least, castor oil makes an excellent makeup remover. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but tough enough to break down even waterproof mascara. Plus, it leaves your skin moisturized instead of stripped. To use, massage a small amount onto your face, then wipe off with a warm, damp cloth. Follow up with your regular cleanser if needed. But let's talk about why castor oil is so effective at removing makeup. Its thick, viscous nature allows it to cling to makeup particles, effectively dissolving them. At the same time, its moisturizing properties prevent your skin from drying out during the removal process, unlike some harsh makeup removers. Here's a pro tip. For stubborn eye makeup, soak a cotton pad in castor oil and hold it against your closed eye for about 30 seconds before gently wiping. This gives the oil time to break down the makeup, making removal easier and gentler on the delicate eye area. And here's something to consider. Using castor oil as a makeup remover not only cleans your face, but also provides all the other benefits we've discussed. It's like a mini facial every time you remove your makeup. Now you might be wondering, this sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Well, like any skincare product, castor oil isn't for everyone. Some people may be allergic or sensitive to it. Always do a patch test before applying it to your face. Also, quality matters. Look for cold-pressed, hexane-free castor oil. This ensures you're getting all the beneficial properties without any harmful additives. Cold-pressed oil is extracted without heat, which preserves more of its beneficial compounds. Hexane-free means no chemical solvents were used in the extraction process, making it a purer product. Remember, a little goes a long way. Castor oil is thick, so you only need a few drops for your entire face. Overuse can lead to clogged pores, which is exactly what we're trying to avoid. Start with a small amount and increase gradually if needed. It's also worth noting that while castor oil has many benefits, it's not a miracle cure-all. It works best as part of a comprehensive skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, and protecting your skin from sun damage. And here's something important to keep in mind. Consistency is key with any skincare routine. You might not see dramatic results overnight, but with regular use over time, you're likely to notice improvements in your skin's texture, tone, and overall health. So there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of castor oil for your face. From fighting acne to boosting your lashes, this humble oil packs a powerful punch. But here's the thing, we've only scratched the surface. There's so much more to explore when it comes to natural skincare. What other hidden gems are lurking in your kitchen? What everyday items could be the key to unlocking your best skin yet? As you experiment with castor oil in your skincare routine, remember that everyone's skin is unique. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect for another. Pay attention to how your skin responds and adjust accordingly. And here's a final thought to leave you with. Taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good. It's an act of self-care, a way to nurture and nourish the largest organ in your body. So, as you apply that castor oil tonight, take a moment to appreciate your skin and all it does for you. The possibilities are endless, and the journey to discover them, well, that's half the fun. So why not start your castor oil adventure today? Your skin will thank you for it. Until next time, here's to your healthiest, most radiant skin yet. Share your thoughts about this regimen in the comment section below, and check out all other benefits of castor oil in the body on these videos shown on screen.